Did you know that Amsterdam is built on millions of wooden poles? A floating city filled with canals, wharves and boats. Founded in the 12th century on the banks of the Amstel River, Amsterdam grew rapidly as trade opportunities it delivered. Nearly 10 million people visit Mokum every year. Interesting for a city with more bicycles than residents. In this drone video, we explore the Zuid Amsterdam, home to the bustling financial and business hub of Edam. Away from Centrum and the city's main tourist sites, we discover a part of Amsterdam, the city's business highlights. From paint companies like Akzo Nobel, with its collection of contemporary art, you will also find the World Trade Center, a hub for trade and commerce. The skyline of Zuid includes the headquarters of ABN AMRO, big Dutch bank, flush with dough and does research on macros. NRF's business is all about cooling systems and radiators, serving major auto manufacturers and aftermarket distributors. As the drone rises, we see a blend of urban development and green spaces. Zuid Amsterdam has its residential parts where kids play and do races. The district is a blend of historic neighborhoods and contemporary architecture, with buildings, museums and modern blocks, all combining to paint a beautiful picture. So that's it for the drone video of Zuid Amsterdam, the business hub of an incredible city. If you enjoyed seeing the skyline of Zuid, please subscribe to see more videos of amazing locations in the Netherlands. Indeed, you should check out this video of Rotterdam, the largest port in Europe. Click here to watch it now.